Meaning of hearken.
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 Hearken. Hearken is an archaic term that means to listen attentively or heed. It is often used in literature, particularly in older texts such as Shakespeare's plays. The word implies a sense of respect and obedience towards the person speaking, suggesting that their words hold great importance. By hearkening to someone's words, you are showing respect for their authority and wisdom. In essence, hearkening involves not only listening to someone's words, but also taking them to heart and acting upon them in a respectful manner.